So I recently got sent out this dog ramp, and today I'm going to show you how my dog uses it and how well it works. My dog has never used one of these before, and she's only 5, so she doesn't really need this. But some people have older dogs or dogs with injuries, and I could see this being super helpful. So first of all, we have like a yoga mat material on the top to make sure that the dog can grip it. We have little railings on the side, and that's the only part that you guys actually have to assemble. Everything else comes all in one big box, and you guys can adjust this up and down. So if you guys want it to be less straight, you guys could do that, and that might be easier for the dog to climb up. We're actually gonna go somewhere in the middle, and this is all made with real wood and can support up to 250 pounds. So my dog is only 50 pounds, so it should be plenty big enough. And the actual quality of this is really nice. It is all real wood. You can see how it's put together, and we have large notches there to make sure it can't fall. And we even have a carrying handle right here, just in case you guys want to collapse it and throw it in the car. When you guys collapse it, there is a locking pin right there, just to ensure that it doesn't open up on you while you're moving it around. It also came with these foam feet that will just protect your floor if you guys have a wooden floor. And here's the paperwork. They show you exactly how it folds up and down and how thin it actually is folded. You guys could slide this under your bed easily. All right, so now's the fun part. We're gonna try to convince our dog to use this. So let's go ahead and try. Cookie, over here. Let's go up. Good girl. Up, up, up. Good job. So that was my dog's first time ever using this, and she quickly figured out how to use it to go up to our bed. I love the way that this works, and you guys could use this for so many more options. You guys could use this for your dogs getting in your car, on the couch. So let's go ahead and try this one more time. Cookie, let's go down. Ooh, good girl. All the way down. Well, she gave up at the end, but it does seem to be very straightforward for dogs to figure out. And the grip on here is amazing. My dog was not slipping whatsoever. She was able to easily get up this incline and onto our bed. So if you guys are looking for something to keep an older dog a little safer, especially if they're getting up and down off of high places, this might be a good option to look into. And that's it for my super quick review.